Discover the Schiara Posture Brace, your perfect solution for a healthier, more confident you. Designed for both men and women, this invisible underclothes back brace helps align your back, neck, and shoulders for a relaxed and upright posture. Made from soft, breathable, and washable fabric, it's comfortable enough to wear daily. Adjust it easily to fit your chest size from 30 inches to 43 inches. Start with 20 to 30 minutes a day and enjoy youthful, confident appearance. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Vicorrect Posture Corrector, your perfect partner for better posture and pain relief. Made from lightweight, breathable mesh fabric, it keeps you cool and comfortable all day long. With upgraded support, it features 4 flexible abs rods to straighten your upper back, shoulders, and spine. Its adjustable, discreet design fits any body type and is ideal for wearing at home, at work, or during workouts. Start building healthy habits today. You'll find purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you tired of back pain holding you back? Meet the Restored Back, our premium back support belt designed for women and men. It offers medical-grade lumbar support with 7 vertical support columns and 4 reinforcement inserts, stabilizing your spine and relieving pressure on discs, nerves, and muscles. The adjustable double pull system ensures a perfect fit and comfort for any activity. Made from durable, breathable materials, the Restored Back helps reduce pain and prevent injuries. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you tired of back pain from sitting at your computer all day? The Aollop Posture Brace designed to help you develop a straight, confident posture effortlessly. Crafted with premium, breathable materials, it offers stable support and maximum comfort without armpit discomfort. Whether at work, home, or on a stroll, this adjustable back brace relieves neck, shoulder, and upper back soreness while improving your overall health. Start your journey to a healthier back today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Are you ready to improve your posture and ease neck and shoulder discomfort? The Modetro back brace is your perfect buddy. This lightweight, breathable support is discreet, comfortable, and adjustable to fit just right. Wear it for an hour twice a day to retrain your spinal position and build healthy muscle memory. Whether you're working, relaxing, or on the go, this back support helps you stay aligned and confident. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you ready to improve your posture and boost your confidence? Introducing the WEIO back support, the smart 2-in-1 back support and posture corrector designed for men and women. Featuring dual flexible support bars and a lightweight breathable fabric, it comfortably aligns your neck, shoulders, and back. Easy to adjust and suitable for many activities like work, yoga, or walking. This stylish and effective device helps develop muscle memory for a healthier, more confident you. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you tired of slouching and neck pain? The Gearari PostureCorrector offers instant relief by gently pulling your shoulders back and aligning your spine. Made from lightweight, breathable materials, it provides all-day comfort and a discreet fit under your clothes. Fully adjustable for every body type, this durable and easy-to-wear brace helps reduce back, neck, and shoulder discomfort, improve your posture, boost confidence, and protect your spine for a healthier, pain-free life. You'll find the purchase in the description and in the pinned comment.